Welcome to my channel. Let's design this beautiful delicious cake together. If you have not watched the video how to make cake, I have the video on my channel. You can go and watch it. And also, if you have not watched how I prepare this royal icing paste, you can also go and check it on my channel. I have it there. You are welcome to my channel, and this is Tonia Lights. Remember to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop video, you'll be notified. Please watch this video to the end and share. What you're watching right now is royal icing. So if you have any question, please leave it at the comment section. I just want to let us know that you can ice your cake without a lot of tools. I don't have tools like that, but after decorating this cake, I think the eyes that sees it, they all like it. And when you have a bite from the cake, it was so delicious. You can use your knife and your fork you have in your kitchen to decorate your cake. You can see I don't even have cake stand, something to put the cake and you'll be turning it around. I don't even have it, yet I could decorate my cake. So you don't need to have all those tools before you can actually decorate your cake for your family. This cake was so delicious. I want you to go and watch the video. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. Please watch this video to the end, like and share. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more interesting video. Another thing about cake decorating, you may not get the real decoration the way you want it, but the more you try your best, the more you will become perfect. If you design one and it's not beautiful, don't stop. Bake another cake and give it another design. What they say that practice make perfect. You will find yourself decorating cake like every other professional cake designer. So the next cake you will see me design, you will not believe it is the same person that is designing this very one. So don't be afraid to decorate cake. The more you do it, the more you will get better. Thanks for watching. Please share this video, like, subscribe to my channel for more video. I really appreciate. God bless you. If you are still watching, thank you so much. But have you liked my video? Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, please. And remember to also watch other videos on my channel. This is the next day. This is the real color. You know, I decorated the cake in the night, midnight. So this is the next day. Let me cut it for you to see. You can see that. So beautiful and so delicious. This time around, the icing has already dried. Look at that. There were already people around me telling me, I want. My children, of course. This very one, I think this one was for my husband. I later added. This one's for another person. Yeah, this one's for another person. They were waiting for me. I baked 3 cakes. This one I gave it to my daughter to give it to her friends in her place of work. Thanks for watching.